Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain trigonometry problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. So y value given, then we have to find dy by dx. Okay, so y is equal to tan inverse of log e by x square. Okay, we have log a by b formula, log a minus log b. Log e by x square is log e minus log x square by, so log e into x square. We should applying log ab formula, log a plus log b. So log e plus log x square plus tan inverse of 3 plus 2 log x by 1 minus, so 6 log x. The 6 log x can be written as 3 into 2 log x. Okay, so log e value 1, log x square value 2 log x. So y is equal to tan inverse of, so log e base c, this is nothing but 1. This log x square value 2 log x by 1 plus 2 log x. Okay, 2 log x into 1 plus tan inverse of 3 plus 2 log x by 1 minus 3 into 2 log x. Okay, we have one formula, tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. Okay, it will be tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b. Okay, we have tan inverse of a minus b by 1 plus ab. So by using this formula, tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b, where a place in write 1 and b place in 2 log x, 1 plus ab. This is a b. Okay, y is equal to, so tan inverse of a, where a place in write 1 minus tan inverse of b, where b place in we should write 2 log x. Okay, now tan inverse of a plus b by 1 plus 1 minus ab. We have formula tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus ab is tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b. Okay, it will be tan inverse of, this is a plus b by 1 minus ab. Tan inverse of 3 plus tan inverse of 2 log x. In this, tan inverse of 2 log x get cancelled. Okay, now our target is dy by dx. So differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. So tan inverse of 1 pi by 4, this is constant. Tan inverse 3 also constant. So derivative of constant 0. This derivative of constant is 0. Answer is 0. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So y value given, then we have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 0. Okay, so y equal to tan inverse of 4 times of sin 2x. We have sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, it's divided by cos 2x formula. Cos 2x formula we have 1 minus 2 sin square x minus 6 sin square x. It will going to be y is equal to tan inverse of 4 to the 8 sin x into cos x upon 1 minus 2 sin square x minus 2 sin square x minus 6 sin square x minus 8 sin square x. Okay, so divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator, cos square x. 1 cos x get cancelled. So tan inverse of 8 into sin x by cos x, this is 8 tan x upon 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x minus 8 times of sin square x by cos square x, we get tan square x. Okay, therefore y is equal to tan inverse of 8 tan x by, we have secant square x formula 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x minus 8 tan square x. Okay. Okay. We have got tan y is equal to tan inverse of 8 tan x by 1 plus tan square x minus 8 tan square x. So y equal to tan inverse of this 8 tan x can be written as 7 tan x plus tan x upon 1 tan square x minus 8 tan square x. It will be minus 7 tan square x. 7 tan x into tan x. Okay. We have one formula tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus ab. It will be tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b. Okay. This is in the form of tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus ab. Where a place in 7 tan x, b place in tan x, right? So y is equal to tan inverse of. So what is the formula? Tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b. Tan inverse of where a place in, we should write it as 7 tan x plus tan inverse of b place in, we should write tan x. Okay. So y is equal to tan inverse of 7 tan x. So tan inverse of tan x is nothing but x. Now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. So differentiation of tan inverse of x. We have differentiation of tan inverse of x 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So differentiation of tan inverse of 7 tan x. On expression, we should write 7 tan x. 1 by 1 plus 7 tan x whole square into. So by using chain rule, 7 tan x, differentiation of 7 tan x. 7 constant, differentiation of tan x will be secant square x. In plus differentiation of x will be 1. What is our target? At x is equal to 0, we have to find dy by dx. Okay, expression 0 substitute in this one. 7 secant square 0 by 1 plus tan 0 value 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 1. Secant 0 value 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. What is the answer? 8. Okay, look at the next question. If xy values are given, then we have to find y1 minus x into y1 whole cube. Okay. First we have to find y1. y1 is nothing but dy by dx. So derivative of y. What is y value given? 3 by 2t square plus 2 by t by derivative of x. X value 1 by t cube plus t by t cube. Okay, t by t into t square. On t get cancelled. It will be 3 by 2 constant. Differentiation of 1 by t square minus 2 by t cube plus 2 constant. Differentiation of 1 by t. We get minus 1 by t square. This whole divided by differentiation of 1 by t cube. This is t to the power minus 3 by using x to the power n formula, n into x power n minus 1. So 1 by t cube differentiation minus 3 by t to the power 4. Differentiation of 1 by t square. It will be minus 2 by t cube. Okay. In this one 2 get cancelled. So minus 3 by t cube minus 2 by t square. So minus 1 by t square take out common. It will be 3 by t plus 1. Okay. Plus 2. This whole divided by, in denominator, minus 1 by t cube take out common, minus 1 by t cube. Okay, it will be 3 by t plus 2. 3 by t plus 2 get cancelled. So minus as well as minus get cancelled. 1 by t square into this is t cube by 1. So 1 t square get cancelled. y1 is equal to, so dy by dx is equal to t. Okay, we have got a t y1 value. But our target is y1 minus x y1 whole cube, x into y1 whole cube. Y1 value, we have got t minus x value. From x statement, x value given 1 plus t by t cube into y1 whole cube. Y1 whole cube is t cube. One t cube get cancelled. It will be t minus multiplied to all, minus 1 minus t. So minus t plus t get cancelled. What is the answer? Minus 1. Okay, moving to next question. In the statement f of x value given, then find out f dash of minus 1 by 2. Okay, it means f dash of x at x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, what is given? F of x value given. F of x is equal to sine inverse of 2 into 3 to the power x by 9 to the power x. So 9 to the power x can be written as 3 square power x. This is nothing but 3 to the power x whole square. We have a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power n whole power m equal to a to the power mn. Okay, so 9 to the power x, it can be written as 3 to the power x whole square. So let us take 3 to the power x is equal to tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 to the power x. Okay, now f of x is equal to sine inverse of 2 into 3 to the power x plus n. We should write tan theta, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. It will going to be sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. We have sine 2 theta, this formula. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to sine inverse of sine 2 theta. We get 2 theta. 2 into what is theta? Tan inverse of 3 to the power x. Okay, now our target is f dash x, that x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So now differentiation on both sides, differentiation of f of x, we get f dash x, 2 constant, differentiation of tan inverse of 3 to the power x, 1 by 1 plus x square. We have derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, it will be 1 by 1 plus 3 to the power x whole square into differentiation of 3 to the power x by using chain rule, 3 to the power x into log 3. We have differentiation of a to the power x into log a. So 3 to the power, the differentiation of 3 to the power x is 3 to the power x into log 3. Okay, f dash x value, we have got 2 by 1 plus 3 to the power x whole square into 3 to the power x into log 3. Okay, at x is equal to minus 1 by 2, our target, 2 by 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 2 whole square into 3 to the power minus 1 by 2 into log 3. Okay, this 2 get cancelled. 2 by, this is 3 inverse. 3 inverse is nothing but 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. 3 to the power minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Okay, so log 3. 1 root 3 get cancelled. 2 1 is 2 2 get cancelled. 1 by 2 times of, okay, this is 3 by root 3 log 3. 1 root 3 get cancelled. So root 3 times of half log 3. So root 3 times of, so 1 by 2 log 3 is nothing but log 3 to the power 1 by 2. So root 3 times of log 3 to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but root 3. So root 3 log root 3, correct answer. Okay, moving to next question. So in the statement g dash x value given minus f of x, f dash x value is g of x, h of x value f of x whole square plus g of x whole square, and h of phi value given 11, then we have to find h of 10. Okay, so what is given? H of x is equal to f of x whole square plus g of x whole square. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So h dash x is equal to, so differentiation of f of x whole square, it will be 2 f of x into differentiation of f of x, we get f dash x. So differentiation of g of x whole square. So it will be 2g of x into differentiation of g of x, we get g dash x. Okay. So 2 times of f of x into f dash x value, we have g of x, 2 into g of x into g dash x value given minus f of x. This is minus value plus minus positive, negative positive values get cancelled. So it will be 0. So h dash x is equal 0. Okay, therefore h of x is equal to constant. Why? Because differentiation of h of x, h dash x, differentiation of constant is 0. So h dash x is equal 0. That implies h of x is equal to constant. This is the constant function. H of x is equal to constant. So what is given? H of 5 value given 11. H of 5 value 11 given. So it's where h is constant function, but h of 5 value given 11. But our target is h of 10. H of 10 is also 11 because this is constant function. What is the answer? 11. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.